Welcome again in fixing my car using 3D printing. Quite a while ago I 3D printed this pin so my back shelf of the car can rest on it like so, and it works really good since then. On this other side of the car this pin still works, but the shelf itself, this piece here is broken. Let's go to the workbench so I can show you what's wrong. Okay, so this is the working piece. There is this lip here, and on the other side, which is broken, this lip is missing. So the plan is to reprint this part and replace it. Simple as that. But first I need to remove this part. It should be fairly easy, just use some force, I guess. The screwdriver here, the pliers to grab the pin and pop it right out, like so. Yep. Here we go. Okay, so I've got the part loose. There are two parts. This one is okay, this one works, so I can reuse this one, but this one I need to reprint with this part present. So let's go to Fusion 360 and do some modeling. Because on my printer I already have white PLA, I decided to use it to prototype. And this is the first prototype of the piece. It is kind of similar, but it's missing a few features. Another iteration, another iteration, and another iteration, and another iteration, and another iteration, and even one more. This is the final one. This is still the prototype printed in PLA. But I think that this one is good enough, and it has all the features required, and all the dimensions are right. I can also check if it works on the shelf itself. So it should go right here, and it fits just right. So I think that this is the stage when I'm ready to print the part using something better than PLA and more suitable for my car, which is in my case ASA, because I have no PETG in black color left. First I need to dry my ASA spool using my homemade filament dryer, link in the description above. And after a few hours I am ready to start printing. Swap the filament from PLA to ASA. Hit the print button and that's it. For printing I am using Smooth PI.
A few moments later.
It is kinda amazing that I was able to print the part using ASA on the first go. Just pop it out. Okay, hopefully I did not damage my PI sheet. I think this is only the glue itself. Now it's just a matter of removing the supports. Okay, let's go to wash the glue from the part. Here is the 3D printed part. Here is the regular one. I will just mount it to the shelf, mount it to the car, and I think that this repair is done. Have you heard that? That perfect click? Let's go to the car. Look at that fit. This is how it should be done.